This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soup Manchurian, only way. Start by mixing minced vegetables and soy, form small balls, fry until golden, then simmer in a clear, savory broth spiced with garlic, ginger, chili, and a touch of vinegar. Thicken with cornstarch slurry for glossy texture, adjust seasoning to taste, finish with chopped scallions and toasted sesame oil for aroma. Serve hot with rice or noodles. Gather fresh vegetables, soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, ginger, green chilies, cornstarch, and oil. Combine ingredients for Manchurian balls. Use minced vegetables, salt, pepper, and a binder like egg or cornstarch. Prepare broth by sautéing aromatics, adding stock, soy sauce, and vinegar, then simmer. Fry the balls until golden and finish in the simmering broth, adding a cornstarch slurry to achieve a silky, slightly thickened soup with bright, balanced. Form small Manchurian balls, chill briefly, and shallow fry until crisp. In a separate pot, sauté garlic, ginger, and chilies, then add stock, soy sauce, and vinegar to build the broth. Thicken reserved broth with cornstarch slurry and gently add fried balls to simmer for a few minutes so flavors meld. Finish with scallions and a drizzle of sesame oil, then taste and adjust seasoning before serving hot. Enjoy the fragrant soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.